गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स, माय नेम इज चंदन कुमार सिंह। आज मैं बात करूंगा क्लास 10th इंग्लिश मीडियम के लिए लेसन नंबर 1 कम्युनिकेशन एंड कंप्यूटर्स के बारे में। ओके, कम्युनिकेशन एज यू ऑल नो द ट्रांसफर बिटवीन वन कंप्यूटर टू अनदर कंप्यूटर or data can be sync from one computer to another computer, that is known as communication. Okay, अगर हम इसको समझें तो हो सकता है ये कि एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर तक डाटा को स्थानांतरित करना, ट्रांसफर करना कम्युनिकेशन कहलाता है। ओके, डाटा कम्युनिकेशन जो है वो भी कम्युनिकेशन की तरह ही होता है, बस इसमें फ़र्क सिर्फ इतना है कि डाटा कम्युनिकेशन can send the information from one place to another place, from one device to another device, or from one place to device to another device. Okay, these are known as data communication. Data communication are fulfilled with these three things: source, and it is also called sender, medium, and receiver. Okay, sender, as you all know, sender means to send the information with a computer, with the help of computer, that is known as sender. Okay, second one is medium. What is medium? Medium is a thing through which we can send our information from sender to the receiver, and that are two types. Okay, wireless and wire communication. Okay, wireless communication, just like radio wave, microwave, satellite, these are the wireless communication. Wire communications are generally making up two types of thing, just coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. One more thing, just like one more cable, twisted pair cable are also used, but sometimes. Okay, so these things are known as medium. Third one is receiver. Receiver is a type of computer that can receive the given information by the sender. It is also called nodes into the network. So receiver is a computer that can take the information from that was given by the sender. Okay, so data communication are three types. Now we are talking about the method of transmission. Method of transmission are very following things. They are just two types: asynchronous and synchronous. Asynchronous mode, this is very slow process of communication because data can send by the packet in the form of bit to bit. Okay, some bits are sent in one packet, so it is very slow process to send the information from one place to another place. That is known as asynchronous mode transmission. Okay, next one is synchronous mode transmission. Nowadays we use synchronous mode transmission because this is very fast circular activities, and nowadays we are also used synchronous transmission, just like 3G 4G network. These are also known as synchronous transmission. Okay, in this transmission we can send byte to byte, mbps, gbps like speed, and these are known as synchronous transmission. Some of types mode of transmission are also in the communication, and they are three types. Modes means a type of basic model that are used to send the information from one place to another place, and they are simplex transmission, half duplex, and full duplex transmission. Okay, first we are talking about simplex transmission. Simplex transmission is those type of transmission through which a sender can send their data to the receiver, but receiver cannot but receiver cannot send any type of data to the sender. And this is the image, this is the picture of the simplex transmission. Only sender can send the data to the receiver, but receiver cannot send any type of data into the sender. ठीक है, this is the simplex transmission. Second one is half duplex transmission. Half duplex transmission means a user can send their data at a time, but receiver cannot send their data at that time that sender can send their data. Because if sender and receiver can send their data at a time, the data will collapse, because it is a transmission where a single man or single sender can send their data at a time. Okay, so these are known as the half duplex transmission. Full duplex transmission. Full duplex transmission is a transmission through which we can send or receive at a time any type of data, that is known as full duplex transmission. Here is the image of full duplex. sender and receiver, they both can send their data at a time, and that is known as full duplex transmission. Okay, thank you. तो इसके बाद फिर हम शुरू करते हैं मॉडेम के बारे में. व्हाट इज मॉडेम? एज यू ऑल नो, in nowadays everyone is using the modem and they are connecting things. Modem are known as modulator and demodulator. It means it can connect, it can change the analog signal into digital signal, and digital signal into the analog signal. These are known as the modem. So it can change the analog signal into digital and digital into analog. So why this is known as modem? Okay, modem are two types: internal modem and external modem. Internal modem means a laptop or computer are enhanced into the computer, that is known as internal modem, and external is known as we all know, modem offices and many type of organization, that modem are known as external modem. Okay, तो आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. थैंक यू.